Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kathy here with OMG Tesla. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Key Fob. So first thing I want to show you guys is the buttons. So there is going to be a button on the top right here, in the middle, and then a top but towards the back. If you guys can see that, this side has the T logo and this side's the trunk, the little chubbier side. So if we go ahead and press this button twice, the trunk should open up. So there's that. And then if we press it twice again, my trunk is closing. That is a terrifying sound, but that's my trunk closing. For the front, you cannot close it once you open it, so I'm gonna hold off on that until I get outside. But if you press this middle button, that is to unlock it. If you press it once, you lock it. So before I get trapped in here, let's unlock it. Double click. So there we go. So let's get outside and I can show you guys that front trunk button. So that's everything I know about this Tesla key fob. If you guys have any other tips and tricks, please let me know down in the comments below because I'd love to learn. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Tesla videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!